Well, let us find a solution for this. This is the problem and let us find a solution, because for ABC it is okay. E7 is added. But for other, when we saying E8, that means this one. Now, this student is deprived from the marks. So what we should do when we are writing a formula for this student, we should make this particular cell fixed. That when we drag it down here, it should not come down to this. This relative reference should not be there. It should be fixed to this one. That means when we drag it vertically, it should remain fixed. So the row number should be fixed here. So what we should do, in front of the row number, we should place a dollar sign. I have placed a dollar sign, you can see. And after that, you press enter. It remains same. But here you see, next one is 345, 332, 360, 320. Now, what you just notice what 345, 332 will become. Because it will get 50 marks now. You see, it is increased by 50 marks because everywhere now E7 is fixed. You can see E7 remain fixed here. Understood?